Okay, we're going to copy files from our GoPro, and again, we just find that under File Explorer, and we go to the Hero 8 Black, go into the volume, into DCIM, and into the folder. And I've got 4 files here that I'm going to download. So what I did was I clicked on the first one, held down my Shift key, clicked on the last one, or if you're wanting just particular ones, you can hold down the Control and highlight whichever ones you want to. But I'm going to get all 4. I'm going to right click and say copy, and then I'm going to go to my videos section of my computer. You can put them in whatever folder you choose, but I'm going to use videos, which is under documents here, I think. Nope. Let's see, where did videos go? There it is. So you see I've got some various videos where I've done some other things. So I'm going to go under this GoPro folder, and I'm going to right click and say paste. So now I've got these 4 files coming in from the GoPro and coming local to my PC, and that's going to make life a lot easier because I can work with these files a lot quicker, not having to transfer the information between the computer and the GoPro at this point. So this is just a video on how to transfer those files, and just in another video we're going to show you how to join those files together to make one big file if you'd like to do that.